Hello everyone, so today we'll be unboxing the Huion Kamvas 20! Yay! So basically I think we've all seen this being on sale, especially during the holidays. And I was debating if I would get the Huion Kamvas 16 or the 20, which, to be honest, the 20 is extremely huge. It literally is built like a PC monitor on itself. But enough of that. This package arrived early in December. I ordered it late November, so it basically came in almost a week, which was surprising because it came here faster than my Huion HS64. But yeah, it was really well packaged, and thankfully it wasn't sent over to JNT. I'm not the type of person who always calls out brands and companies, but I think I have the right to say that, given that I have had more than 3 important packages, broken because of JNT Express shipment. Inside the box are a few of the stuff which I'll be mentioning on screen.
Oh my gosh.
In setting this up, I basically just followed the simple instructions in the manual and basically built it. There's really not that much to it. When process-wise, it's not that complicated at all. It's very user-friendly and is very intuitive. Although I know a lot of people have been having troubles with the color correction in their tablets. I know I have, I know a lot of people have, and because they were so frustrated with how the tablet looks versus their monitors, I know some people have shipped theirs back, especially like literally shipped theirs back to Amazon. But I figured it out and I got to calibrate it. But after a few weeks of research, if you guys want me to do a video about that, then I will gladly do so. But that's only if someone asks though.
And I have like 2 other gloves in my
But yeah, basically what I did is that
quick start bag.
I know that the common solution is to put it on. The common solution is to go to your graphics driver, which doesn't apply if you use a laptop.
It's supposedly
And all you have to do is go to the Intel graphics instead and basically manually calibrate your tablet to fit your laptop screen.
see how big that is.
So here I'm just attaching the stand to the back. I heard that you can also purchase a separate arm if you like your tablet to be a bit more mobile. But I personally think this is fine for me for now. And one thing to remember is that if you're thinking of getting this tablet instead of the smaller models such as the 16 and below, you have to understand that this tablet is mostly built for actual studios where you're not the type of person who carries it everywhere, because this thing is very heavy and you'll most definitely not be able to carry this around without, like, I don't know, a separate setup. But yeah, I personally made that decision because I know that in the future I might be tempted to upgrade, so I just took the highest spec that there was, and it's working pretty fine for me. And since I already have my pen display tablet, and I also prefer doing that sometimes because I prefer not straining my eyes too much, when I do have the need to go and bring a tablet somewhere, at least I can use my HS64 for that. Here's how the setup looks. It's not the best. I know in the thumbnail you're probably gonna see all my complete setup all together, but I don't know, I prefer it like this most of the time because I don't like a lot of accessories kind of like catching my eye. But yeah, at first testing it out, there is a little bit of a distance between where your actual pointer is on screen and the tip of the pen, which I've already expected. But to be honest, when you're actually using the pen display itself, it's most likely that you won't be able to notice it at all. The screen is also matte and etched glass, so you don't get that nasty glare. But in this footage, I actually closed all the lights in my room just so I can have very good footage. But all in all, the pen is very accurate. The refresh rate is really good, and the cursor catches up with your actual pen. It does not lag at all. Here I just made a really quick sketch, just testing it out, you know? And to be honest, I had so much fun doing this. The colors were pretty bright and accurate, all in all. After I've calibrated my tablet, the work process is very smooth. And because the screen is so large, it literally feels like you don't have the need to zoom in and out. And it just feels like you're drawing on paper, which is basically one of the best things that this tablet can offer. But yeah, that's about it. I'm really excited to make a lot of artworks with this tablet. This was a very big decision for me, but I think now that I'm really leaning towards such a specific end goal, that I just had to invest in getting this tablet. And I really hope this tablet contributes to a lot of my future journey as an artist. And I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions at all about the tablet or any concerns, I'll be happy to answer them in the comments down below, and we'll be as transparent because this isn't a sponsored video anyways, and I'd be glad to help, you know? So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!